Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Industries Minister, distinguished colleagues on the dais, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, much before the state of Madhya Pradesh witnessed such high rates of growth, it used to be a deeply Bimaru state, and ITC was here in the villages of Madhya Pradesh, trying to assist the farmer in improving productivity in agriculture and adopting sustainable agricultural practices. We have been known to be an agri company much before we came to be diversified. And we are perhaps the largest buyers of agri-commodities from Madhya Pradesh. Now, today, Mukesh Bhai spoke about the digital infrastructure he's going to create. But when we came here, there was no such digital infrastructure. So we had to establish VSATs through satellite and established computers in the homes of lead farmers and began to bring knowledge and information to the farmers to create flow of knowledge and information and also create a market at the doorstep of the rural community. So over a period of time, it has been our endeavor to convert the rural community into an economic organization. And our endeavors range from watershed development, animal husbandry, supplementary education, and so on and so forth. 2,000 chopals, e-chopals, the world-famous e-chopals, were so built by us and served 1 million farmers. You'd be happy to know that Madhya Pradesh and ITC have together featured in Harvard Business School's case study. And for the last 14 years, everyone who goes to study in the Harvard Business School studies this case study. And very many multilateral agencies have sent their representatives, including World Bank, to come and see what we have done here. And they've invited ITC to come along to Africa and other developing areas. I would be remiss if I did not join my other colleagues to extend my very sincere compliments to the dynamic leadership of the Chief Minister. After all, the assets of the state that were recounted earlier, of minerals, of forests, of land, of being equidistant from the metropolitan cities, and of people, everything was there, but it was a deeply Bimaru state. So what made a difference was the dynamic leadership of one man. And I would say that jitni tareef karen, utni kam hai, because the people of Madhya Pradesh are fortunate, as the people of India are fortunate to get a Prime Minister like Shri Modi ji. People in Madhya Pradesh are fortunate to get a dynamic leader because the resources remain unproductive until they are catalyzed by a dynamic leader, a committed leader like Shri Chauhan. So, ladies and gentlemen, the Prime Minister said that the value addition to agriculture is a huge multiplier of employment. Now in India, only 4% is the value addition to agriculture produce in the food area. And if you look at the total agri-produce, the value addition is only 20%. But if you see countries in the Far East or Brazil, the value addition goes up to 80%. So there is a huge opportunity to industrialize Madhya Pradesh on the strength of adding value to agriculture. There are a number of value chains, the tree to textbook, there is farm to fork, there is cotton to fashion, there is animals to dairy, to milk products, and from leather to leather goods. There are a number of areas where value can be added and employment can be multiplied manifold. And this is one area where, after the Chief Minister announced the reform in the Factories Act and the Labour Act, and I happened to have read it the previous day when Make in India was launched in Delhi. And I made an announcement when everybody around the world was listening to me that my next destination for ITC is Madhya Pradesh. So since then, I have been after the Industries Minister for land. And a land was shown, piece of land, but it so happened that when my people went there, it happened to be on a hilltop. So I sent to her a message that your people have a sense of humor, that you can't set up industry on a hilltop. But she said, don't worry, let this investment summit be over. I will personally go and find you land. And I'll hold you to that word. And I can tell you, the faster you get us this land, at a quicker pace, we will set up a world-class manufacturing outfit which will add value to agriculture in Madhya Pradesh and send the products all over India and also abroad. Similarly, I have suggested to the Chief Minister that we can set up an environmentally friendly paper plant here, and what it might need is a lot of dialogue to get the right location, because it requires a lot of energy, it requires water, and it requires other resources to be able to do this. And once we have done this, that's another area where we would be very happy to invest in Madhya Pradesh. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel very privileged and I feel very inspired to have witnessed this function here. It is so well organized. You can see the tenor and tone of the organization. From the time I landed at the airport and to the time I've come here, heard the Prime Minister speak and the Chief Minister speak and all my colleagues speak, it's deeply inspiring. Where were these leaders when I was younger? That's the question I go back with. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.